One of the things about supplements that really interests me is, can they tap into pathways that are routinely impaired? And by addressing that, give people just a little more vitality. I never look to supplements to be substitutes. I believe too deeply in the elemental importance of healthy living. But over a 30-year clinical career, I've seen many people who basically couldn't get to healthy living. You had to fix something in order to fix the next thing. It's almost a sequence of steps that people need to take. You could almost think of the path to vitality. If vitality is at the summit, that it's a spiral staircase. And people look at the staircase and say, I can't get up the first step. Help me. And I think sometimes that help is the right medication, judiciously chosen, or the right supplement. And these days, we've got a lot of vexing problems to try and overcome. We have lots of people who have had years of heart disease, and so they have impairment of cardiac pump function. And if we can safely boost energy levels in the heart, there's the potential to address that issue. And there are supplements that have been around a long time, like coenzyme Q10, that address mitochondrial function and are used in that context. And studies have actually shown that CoQ10 directly helps in heart failure. I hope and believe that NAD can help as well, and I think we're going to learn more about the optimal ways of combining supplements that address energy generation within cells to deal with conditions like that. I'm very interested in the potential role of energy-generating supplements that interact with the mitochondria in conditions like chronic fatigue. I'm wondering about potential roles in long COVID, which from my point of view is a version of chronic fatigue. And I'm not saying we have the answers in all of these places, but what we know about the NAD pathway suggests that it's important throughout almost all of physiology. And it certainly has implications for energy and fatigue, for cardiac function, for skeletal muscle function. This invites research in all of these areas. And I anticipate, because of the serious dedication of ChromaDex to research, that this research will be done. And I think we'll be seeing exciting new answers about what this pathway can do over upcoming years.